Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Tomachan, and if you're the kind of person who loves running and staying active, the frustration of being held back by aching feet may be very familiar to you. Foot pain is especially likely if you run every day, or if you have certain problems with your foot structure or gait mechanics which prevents your body from absorbing impact shocks efficiently. Custom orthotics are one of the best ways to address these problems and keep you running without pain. However, conventional custom orthotics don't always work out for every runner. For example, the orthotic you use in your regular shoes might be too wide or too bulky to fit comfortably in your running shoes, or maybe they just aren't as comfortable when running as opposed to walking. Or if you only have one pair of orthotics and you don't wear them too fast. At Austin Foot and Ankle Specialist, we've solved these problems for runners with our custom orthotics plan featuring Go4D 3D printed orthotics. During the fitting appointment, you'll walk over a pressure plate. This allows us to map out exactly how your weight and forces are distributed and transferred across your foot at every part of your gait cycle, from heel strike to toe off. That means your orthotics are designed knowing precisely where you need the most cushioning and more support. And because these orthotics are 3D printed using a unique lattice structure, the thickness and density of the orthotic actually varies throughout the device. That's a huge asset for runners who have the most to gain from this level of accuracy and customization. Also, due to the 3D printed structure, these orthotics are thinner, lighter, and more comfortable than alternatives made from solid one-piece material, so they'll fit more easily into almost any shoe with a removable insole. And if you won't have to worry about ruining your everyday orthotics, because our custom orthotic package always comes with 2 pairs of orthotics. In fact, Go4D even makes orthotics that are designed specifically for runners. So if you have one everyday pair and one just for use in your running shoes. So if you're a runner who has been held back by foot pain, give us a call. Even if you've been disappointed by custom orthotics in the past, this new technology is a step above everything else you've tried before, and we're confident we can help you. Thank you.